bro, it's like, oh man, I can handle the pain, yeah, sometimes, yeah, but sometimes it's just like fucking annoying, man. You don't know when to fucking expect like beef from anyone. You don't know when to expect it, fam. Like, I've just looked at, like, there's just been bare times I've had to look at someone once, yeah, and then they're gonna nod their head at me. They're gonna do a staring contest with me to like fucking like see if I'm the perfect match for them to fight, like, and I get it from these adults. I get it from some adults only. It's fucking frustrating, fam. It's actually fucking frustrating. Like, it's not even a joke. Like, I get it from adults only. Kids don't trouble me. Kids don't trouble me with this shit. Maybe some chavs, yeah, but I rarely get it from like people in their 20s, people in their like, you get me, from like, even roadmen don't even do as much as some of these adults do. Like, some of these adults are seriously paranoid. Some of them are seriously paranoid. Like, you can't look at them for more than 1 second without them wanting a fight from you. Like, it's silly, fam. It's actually silly, you know. Let me take this HV for a spin real quick, cause I'm feeling like a Volvo thing today. HV 45. Sorry, boss, can I sit?
Lucky World Standard.
Sorry, boss. Sorry.
Three three five to Kidbrooke.
H345.